Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. So first, what you guys need to know is that not having battery percentage is abnormal. So you need to have your battery percentage, especially if you are using One UI 8.5, because the battery level here is always displayed as a number, but Samsung just gives you a way to modify how it looks. So as you guys can see, whenever we go to notifications and then we go to status bar, we can change the battery percentage right here, but we cannot disable the number itself. And if you do not see your number, then it might be the issue of the battery sensor. So what you guys can do first is restart the device. You press the button, the power button, the volume down button, and you keep on holding them until you see power menu, tap restart, and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and go to the Play Store. Here, what we're gonna do in the Play Store, if your issue is still not fixed, we're gonna download a battery widget. So we're gonna go to Play Store. Now go to search and search for the battery widget and then Reborn. So it has to be made by Thomas Hubalik. This is the widget right here. It's free to use, and as you guys can see, it's only like 11.5 or 1.5 megabytes, so it's not much. Here we're gonna click consent and click start manually. We're gonna go over to the screen and we're gonna pinch our screens because that's the way to get the widgets. Now we're gonna select battery widget Reborn 2025, and here select the widget that we wanna add. So now here we can actually change the battery, like let's say time when completed or temperature of it. Of course, we can see the time remaining and the battery remaining. We can display or do not display the charging indicator, and here we can confirm it. And now we got our widget right here. We can also enlarge it. And if you do not see your battery here, then you have to go to the authorized device center and tell them about the issue, because it's probably a not working battery sensor. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.